Welcome to Math Movies with Miss Feuer-Beck and Miss Veluti. Today you'll be learning how to calculate the volume of solids made of multiple prisms. For example, we need to find the total volume of this shape. And one thing that you can notice is that there are actually two separate prisms attached together here. There's one prism going this way and one prism going this way. I'll show you by highlighting it right now. There's one prism right here that goes all the way across, and then there's a second prism down below. So we can take our knowledge of how to find rectangular prisms. We'll call this one B, and we'll call the red one A. So I've highlighted those in two different colors, and now I can think about the volume formula. So let's start with prism A. The volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. So if I can identify the length, width, and height, then I can find the volume of the red shape. Well, the length is 12 inches. Okay, it's this piece right here. And then the width is 4 inches. That's this piece right here. And the height is 3 inches. So I can go and plug those numbers right into my formula. 12 times 4 times 3. So 12 times 4 is 48, and 48 times 3, 40 times 3, 48 times 3, 40 times 3 is 120, 8 times 3 is 24. If I add those together, I get 144. So the volume is 144 cubic inches, and that's for A. Okay. Now we need to do the same thing for shape B. So I need to identify the length, width, and height of shape B. Well, I see that right here the length is 3. Okay. I see that the width is this piece right here, but I don't quite know how long that is. Okay. And then I know the height is this piece right here. Now the whole side is equal to 8. Okay, but that doesn't mean that this piece right here in blue is equal to 8. So I need to figure out how much that is and what the width is. If I look at other parts of this shape, I see that this piece is the same as this piece, is the same as this piece, which is the same as this, which is also the same as this. The width is 4, all of these pieces. So actually the width over here is also 4. Okay, and now I think about the height. What I can see is this whole side is equal to 8 inches. But 3 of those inches belong to shape A. So this piece right here is equal to 3, and so is this piece, and so is this piece. So if this part is 3, and 3 plus whatever this is equals 8, well, this piece has to then be 5, because 3 plus 5 equals 8. So now I have identified my length, my width, and my height, and I can go and plug those into my formula. 3 by 4 by 5. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 5 is 60 cubic inches. So that's for shape B. Now, the last step is to take the two totals and add them together. So we have 144 plus 60, and that's going to give us a total of 204 cubic inches, and that is our total volume. As you can see, it's a little more complicated to find the volume of multiple rectangular prisms, but it's not impossible, and you can do it by breaking it down and really thinking about each shape itself. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot today.